Hello guys, welcome back to Veeology. Well, you know fall weather is coming in and you know you will be doing lots of home entertainment. So I am going to show you how you can entertain with food in your living room and how you can do it on a budget but absolutely be so beautiful. But how you can use your coffee table as food as decorations. So if you would like to see how I do this, you know what to do. Stay tuned.
So what you will need is a cutting board, a knife, the one you want to serve it on, charcuterie board, and it's granite. And the next thing that you want is what you're going to add on. So I'm going to add on some juicy blueberries, some figs, yes, figs and wine goes together, and some fresh strawberries. So this one, guys, is a fruit tray with cheese. So let's get started. So often, instead of me buying the cheese that's already pre-cut for a charcuterie board, I like to buy the regular slice of cheese and cut them to the size that I like, and it's much cheaper. So guys, I am doing that with this cheese, and I'm getting ready to show you how you can get one slice cut in fours. So it's just this simple and much cheaper. So now let's go ahead and start putting things together. So let's slide our cheese away. And when I'm doing my boards with granite, I just clean it, oil it, and just add it on. But with wood, I always use parchment paper. So here I am going to cut my strawberries only in half because this is a small board. So you don't want to use a full strawberry because they may roll off. I am keeping the greenery on my strawberries just for a pop of green of color. So now, I know you may never have seen this on a charcuterie board, but these are figs and these are fresh South Carolina figs. So this is a touch of element. Guys, if you never had figs and cheddar cheese together, oh my gosh, what are you waiting on? It is absolutely delicious together. But if the figs are very soft, I don't care for them. I like them very, very firm. So now I want to go ahead and add my cheese because I want to see exactly how I want to position the cheese. So I decided to start doing them in like a back and forth piece going around, so I end up with a design, and the outcome of my design, guys, I absolutely do love. So now let's go ahead and add on these blueberries. And these came from Trader Joe's, guys. These blueberries are so sweet. And the fattest blueberries I've seen in a while. So absolutely so delicious. I eat blueberries just like I eat popcorn, guys. They're just so good and healthy for you. So now that we have our canvas down, we can now go in and add in to our blank spaces to make our board absolutely so pretty, but well worth the sit down meal that we're going to have with just strawberries, blueberries, figs, and cheese. And stay tuned because you know your girl don't know anything about alcohol, but I will be making a drink, and maybe you should try it so you can tell me what it tastes like. So if you are ready to see what my small bowl look like, charcuterie board, so guys, take in your breath and here it is. Okay, I tell you, we were going to make a drink to send out with our charcuterie board, and we're going to sell our coffee table with this. So these are my beautiful glasses that I pick up from the Dollar Tree. And what alcohol will I be using? Vodka. You know your girl don't know anything about alcohol. I surely don't. I'm not afraid to tell you. But also I will be using some lemonade. Yes, guys. And I have a little strawberry on the side for you and some blueberries. So let's go ahead and pull up this drink. So guys, so far it's like looking so absolutely delicious. But guys, this is Viology Vondessa. You know I have something else I will be adding in, and what it is? Donna Duck orange juice, guys. So guys, this looks so fantastic. It looks so delicious. If you choose to try it, go ahead. But my husband said it was absolutely delicious. So let's get to styling. So first what I want to do is use my coffee table books, and I'm using my Louis Vuitton book and my Vogue book with Rihanna on the front. And also up under my table, guys, you see I have it semi ready for the fall, but the only thing I would be doing is probably adding a pumpkin to it. But other than that, nah, it's just a little bit too busy, so I'm gonna leave it as is. So now I am adding my vase with live flowers, and you will see in a few minutes the color of these roses, girls. And guys, so now I'm adding in a fall leaf with some pumpkin smelling candles to be all up in, definitely in the fall of things, the autumn of things. And now I am gonna add in a pumpkin and what other words you would rather see during this time coming up, and that is hello fall. So now we're going to add in our charcuterie board, and guys, look how that orange is picking up from those leaves, and the red from the strawberries is picking up the burnt side color of the leaf also. But look at the blueberries and figs, it's picking up from the color of the coffee table and the Louis Vuitton book, and the Vogue book. Now, just for if you have some extra spills, let's go ahead and put down a white dish. You know, white dishes are the thing, the best thing ever to have. They are neutral and can go along with absolutely anything. So, and now what we're going to do is add on our wines. And don't forget, let's add a splash of fall on that white tray. So if you would like to know and see the outcome of my coffee table that has a treat for my new friends, well guys, here it is.